Life is made up of small, beautiful moments, but memories fade unless we capture them. Welcome to the Personal and Memory Scrapbook by Relionix, a creative space where your life stories live on paper. Every page in this book is a chance to relive a moment, a laugh, a dream, a feeling, preserved forever. Paste your photos, write your thoughts, save the little notes that would otherwise be forgotten. Whether it's birthdays, holidays, family trips, or just daily joys, this scrapbook becomes a timeline of your most treasured memories. You can make it personal, you can make it emotional, it can be playful, serious, or simply beautiful. Add old letters, tickets from your favorite movie, even drawings from your child or a recipe passed down. No pressure, no rules, just you, your memories, and the freedom to be creative. This book is more than pages. It's a quiet reminder that the little things in life matter the most. Make it a family project, a gift to someone you love, or your own legacy, something to look back on years from now. You don't need to be an artist, just honest and expressive. Add stickers, quotes, or even a pressed flower. You're not just decorating pages, you're preserving joy, capturing emotion, honoring your life. This is your space, your story, your legacy. Let every page turn become a journey back in time, because the best stories aren't always told, they're remembered. Want to start your own memory collection? Grab your copy of the Personal and Memory Scrapbook now on Amazon. Visit us at www.relionix.com for more creative books. And don't forget to subscribe for more DIY and memory-keeping inspiration. Thank you for watching and for honoring your memories with us.